Welcome to Bytey Learning Lab, exploring the internet. Let's go on Bytey's browser quest. Can you find a cat video? Which is a safe page for kids? Always ask a grown-up before clicking something that looks strange. Never share your name, address, or school online, that's private. To access this vast library, we need a web browser. Browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari act like magic windows to the internet. You can visit a website by typing in a web address, like www.funforkids.com. Let's try visiting a page. Click the link at the top. Whoa! We're inside a website. This is called a homepage. You can scroll up and down to see more content and click pictures to explore further. But not everything is safe to click. Let's play a game, safe or not safe. Someone asks for your name, safe or not safe? A. Safe. B. Not safe. You see a pop-up that says, you want to apply. Should you click it? A. Yes. B. No. Someone tells you to download a file you don't know. What should you do? A. Download it. B. Ask a grown-up. Final quiz. What is a browser? What should you never share online? If a pop-up looks weird, what should you do? What's a homepage? What do you use to go to a website? Thank you for joining us in Bytey's Learning Lab. You're now an Internet Explorer hero. Don't forget to like and subscribe.